I do have to ask, are you gonna have any destruction?
Yes, there definitely has to be destruction.
Yeah. So I was thinking so.
We're just gonna do normal though, not like
Yeah.
hardcore, not easy.
Yeah.
You have a GPS? Oh,
Yeah.
that's fantastic.
Yeah. I did see that. It's nice.
Puff Corp? What are they puffing on?
Alright, turned off echo cancellation.
Wait, is this the old island? This is the old island, isn't it? Yeah.
No, this is a different island.
Are you
Or
sure?
It's supposed to be. Yeah, it's supposed to be.
It has the same shape. Oh no, it is different.
Yeah. I know what you mean though, by like kind of being flat right there at the water and then going up to the snowy mountains.
Yeah. Alright, so we're just like trying to get those for you guys.
Wait, what's up?
I'm looking at a laptop.
Oh, the people? Yeah, I guess so.
Oh, shit.
Or so.
Get out.
I'm so disoriented. There we go.
I can see. Oh, that's not nice.
Ooh, calling back down. Alright, I'm gonna mute myself real quick. I gotta call Libby.
Alright. Oh. Friend. What? Yes. It sticks. Bring to me. Yeah.
Alright, I'm back. If you go to your inventory and open up that bag, you get that GPS.
I'm messing with graphics and sound settings real quick.
Oh, okay. Kelvin.
Alright, talker, say something.
Hello?
Hello?
Hello, hello, hello?
Alright, that's not bad.
Good place for rocks.
Why do you have an F above you? Like, what does that mean?
I have no idea. You have a, oh, probably for fancy, because you have a K over you. So there's two Ks for Calvin, because his name's Calvin and yours is, Keys. A turtle. There's a cave right here.
Are we ready to go inside any caves yet?
I mean, I don't know. I was just standing at a cave right there. Oh, what's up, Kelvin?
What? He hasn't given me any sticks yet.
Oh, here you go.
Huh.
He's giving me like a shit ton of sticks. Let's see. I'm gonna drop this shit.
It doesn't matter. Whoa, it's getting dark. Man, this map looks a lot bigger.
It's, yeah, it's apparently 4 times bigger.
It does kind of look like the original starting area, though.
Yeah. Oh, wait. Here, stop real quick. I can transfer shit to you.
Hmm.
There's nothing on here that I can give you.
How do I get out? Oh, gee.
Let me see if there's like a quick slot.
Yeah.
I don't know. Here, if you go up to him, you can make him like give you sticks like specifically.
Yeah, I was messing with them earlier.
Let's fucking do it.
Alright.
Actually, I'm gonna see if I can craft a spear. I could probably give you one if I can. Nah, need tape. Alright.
I don't see sticks anywhere, but I know.
If you did pick up sticks, like go towards like the very right.
Oh. You can like walk around this thing. Nuts.
Yeah, it's a pretty big inventory. If you there's like a little like couple white knobs. Those are lights. You can like change the lights. It's kind of cool.
And a knife. Oh, I only got one knife though. Oh well. I now have a spear. Oh, you just used the knife. I get it.
So I gotta make sure Calvin comes with us. There's he just dropped some sticks if you want to pick them up over here.
Oh yeah.
Do you have any extra tape?
No, I just had that one.
Damn. I'll probably find some in here.
Is he following us?
Yeah, I had him follow us. I don't know if he'll follow us in the cave or not, but
GPS is nice.
yeah, it's so much better than the map.
Hey, flares.
Like the slider too.
4 9mm ammo.
Oh, nice.
There is no GPS signal in here.
Yeah, I have a circuit board and I saw you can make tech armor with that. I have a lot of new shit. Where'd you find the 9mm? Cause I want to see if I can grab it too. Oh yeah. Sorry.
Woo!
What will we find? They're walking. Oh shit.
Oh, fuck. What is that? It's like 8 feet tall. Whoa.
Looks like it'll swallow you. Oh!
He just swings his head at you. That's disgusting.
Oh, what? I'm down
You're down. Come
from
on.
one hit.
I don't even have... How do I equip the spear?
Oh, you just have to go to your inventory. I couldn't find a way to do it yet.
Alright, buddy. Get it. Come on, do you know how much time you got?
It's going up in like a skull. It's about a quarter way.
Well, I'm down.
Fuck.
I don't think we're ready.
No. That thing one hit me. I don't even know what it was.
Aw,
well,
man.
we're gonna have to get out.
Ugh. What am I inside? Ooh.
Alright. Got my stuff still. I think. Yeah.
Yep. What is that?
Find some duct tape.
Oh, that's a
What?
lighter.
Yeah. Yeah, I like it. It's like an electric one.
It's purple.
Oh, that's how. Oh, that's how you grab your axe and shit. Okay.
What?
For me, it's Okay, well that was weird. It was. It was a button for the inventory, but now it's just going to the inventory. Oh, I have to hold it. Yeah.
I can see.
Okay,
There's
you
like
just
a
have to
quick
hold it.
inventory.
Cool. I have a grenade.
Where'd you find a grenade?
I have two. Must have been at the beginning. Huh.
Right.
Nice.
Let's find our way out of here.
I think it's this way.
The Sunset Times.
Alright, cool. It's already started. Calvin!
Oh yeah, it's raining. Oh, we don't have anything to like collect water or nothing yet.
I do have a turtle shell.
Dude, do you just like bring in stuff from your own game? Like, where are you getting this stuff?
No, I found a turtle over here, like earlier. I'm already modding it.
Man, it sounds really good. Like, the storm sounds good.
Yeah. I also have zipline rope. I can't really do anything with it though.
Yay, all he has to do is take a shower, then he'll be on.
Sweet. I still gotta gift it to him.
Huh.
I hope it runs.
I mean, if that one guy was streaming it.
I mean, he could have been streaming it off something else, but yeah, I
I
don't
thought
know.
he was on the Steam Deck.
No, like he could have been like doing the stream off like a laptop and then connecting it to the Steam or something.
Ooh, clams.
We'll see. You said clams?
Yeah. Dude, Kelvin
Alright.
keeps scaring the shit out of me.
Yeah, he's kind of creepy.
I forget that there's like a third guy here.
Yeah, just remember if he dies, he's dead.
Is that jellyfish? Who's that? Yeah, they're just clams everywhere. Okay, because I don't seem to
Do
be
you
full yet.
do you have a tarp? It should be like on the top right on your inventory, because I know that's how you start. Or how you make like a little shelter.
I have a backpack, 2 empty things, and no, I don't got a tarp. I can honestly not tell if this is helping my hunger at all.
Oh, the food.
Yeah. Oysters, I guess, not clams.
I guess when you eat one, you can just look at those two little circles up top.
It's
what
barely
they do.
moving if it's moving.
Oh, really?
Though, you can probably cook these things and they'll do more, though. That would make sense.
Yeah. Oh, I found duct tape.
Oh, nice. Dude, this build menu is so different.
Are you talking about like the book?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, it has a lot of the same stuff in it, but I don't know how to use it.
Yeah, the switching modes, because it has two different modes, is kind of weird. So I don't
Yeah.
understand the difference of the modes.
Now I'm back to shelf.
Yeah, we need a tarp for it. I'm surprised we didn't get one out of all those crates over there, because I looked, I didn't see any.
Oh, it looks like it doesn't do what's it called? It looks like you can't just put it on the map. Like you have to get the stuff and actually like physically do the stuff to build it. You can't just like highlight it and click.
Yeah, it's I made a fire, and like it was, I didn't really, I mean, I got it like once I threw one stick down, but like it's weird. Alright. Shit. It's getting dark too.